Good morning, students. I'm very glad to see you in this today's session. So, in our last class, what are the things we have seen? So, in our last class, I explained about that what is that ratio. So, ratio means it's a simply comparison. So, when we are taking any two quantity, so we have to compare by division. It is called a ratio. Okay. So, I did some problems based on that ratio, and today we are going to see that exercise 12.1. So, kindly please take your note and just note it. Okay. Okay, students. Today we are going to see that exercise problem. So exercise 12.1. So in that, what are the problems they given? We are going to solve. So anyway, in the last class I gave one homework problem. So that problem we will discuss first. So the question number 1. So there are 20 girls and 15 boys in a class. Okay. So first one, how many girls? First one I have to write. So girls. First you have to write girls and you have to write boys. Okay. The thing is actually 20 girls. The count is 20 girls and 15 boys. Okay. First one, what they asked, what is the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys? Okay, so the ratio of number of girls to number of boys. Okay, so as you know that how to denote the ratio, so ratio means this is called is to. Okay, so we have to denote this kind of symbol. Okay, so remember that. Okay, so the question is ratio of number of girls to number of boys. So number of girls, first one, number of girls. Okay, number of girls to number of boys. Number of boys. Okay, am I right? Okay, first one, number of girls. So number of girls 20 is to number of boys 15. Okay, so I'll write separately. So 20 is to 15. Now we can write this 20 is to 15 as 20 divided by this number. First you have to write here and this number you have to write down. Okay, so 20 divided by 15. Okay, now we can divide by using that any common table. So just check that whether it will be divided by any common number. So 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. So 4 divided by 3. Am I right? So 4 divided by 3 can be written as 4 is to 3. Okay, so this is the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys. Okay, okay, the second question is actually the second case B. So what the case B? What is the ratio of number of girls to the total number of students in the particular class? Okay, so girls to total number of students. So girls and total number of students. Okay, total number of students. Okay, first you have to know that, as you know that girls how much? 20. So total number of students means including boys plus girls. Okay, so boys plus girls, that means how many boys they given? 15. So 15 boys and 20 girls. So 15 boys and 20 girls, so totally 35 will come. Am I right? So 35, so total number of student is 35. So we have to calculate that ratio between these two. So the number of what's called number of girls to, that means number of girls to number of total students. Okay, so first I have taken number of girls is actually 20 they given, and number of total number of students 35. 20 plus 15, 35. Now 20 is to 35. So now we can what's called here itself we can divide, otherwise we can use by 20 divided by 35. Okay, anyway we can move that step by step. 20 is to 35 can be written as 20 divided by 35. Okay, so 20 divided by 35 means you can check whether which table under these two numbers come, 20 as well as 35. So we can divide by 5 table, 4 5s are 20 and here 7 5s are 35. Okay, so 4 divided by 7, which can be written as 4 is to 7. Okay, so this is that given ratio, this is that we found that ratio between that girls to number of students in the class. Okay students, can you understand? Okay, so we will move to that next question, question number second. So what is that question number second? Out of 30 students in a class, 6 like football, 12 like cricket, remaining like tennis. Find the ratio of number of students liking football to number of students liking tennis. Okay students, first you have to know that total students. So total students, how much? So total students, first you have to write total students is equal to 30. Okay, so in that 30 students, so how many tennis and how many what's called different sports, football and cricket. Okay, first one 6 like what's called football. Okay, so football you have to write football, so football 6%. Okay, next one for cricket, cricket here C, I'll represent C, so 12. Okay, 6 12 and the remaining person like tennis, so this one tennis here. Okay, so this one I'll write cricket, then only you can know. Okay, so cricket and tennis, so how many remaining means first you have to add this one, 6 plus 2 18, am I right? So 18, so 30 minus 18, which is equal to what is the thing is, so 13 minus 8 12. Okay, so 12 they like tennis. Okay, now you have to know that how many person like football, how many person like cricket and how many person like tennis. So just remember this value, then only we have to do that ratio. Okay, so question number 2a subdivision, what they asked, number of students liking football. Okay, so number of students liking football, so they are asking football to what's called football to number of students liking tennis. So football to tennis, what is the ratio? Okay, so first one you have to know that how many students like football, so 6 like football, so 6 is to tennis, just now we found that tennis value 12. Okay, so this is to, you have to put dot. Okay, 6 is to 12, so 6 is to 12 we can written as 6 divided by 12. Am I right? Now you can say that which table both number can divide in common. 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, so 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 can be written as 1 is to 2. Okay, 1 is to 2, so how can we pronunciate 1 is to 2? Okay, this kind of only we have to pronunciate. Okay, so the 1 is 2 is that first answer, so A subdivision. Okay, anyway we will move to that B subdivision. For B, what the thing is, they asked number of students liking cricket to total number of students, total number of students. Okay, so first one cricket, we have to write cricket to ratio, cricket to total number of students, so total number of students. Okay students, so first one cricket, so cricket in that what is the thing is, how many person like cricket, 12% like cricket is to total number of students. So what is the total number of students? 30. Okay, so 12 is to 30, so 12 is to 30 we can written as 12 divided by 30. So 12 divided by 30 means, so we can divide any common table, just check it. Okay, so we will do one by one. Okay, so 6 2s are 12 and 15 2s are 30. Okay, so still we can cancel 3 2 table both will not divide because 15 will not divide in second table, So third table, 2 3s are 6 and 5 3s are 15. Okay, so 2 divided by 5. Okay, otherwise we can divide by directly 6 table. 2 6 are 12, 5 6 are 30, and 2 by 5 is that any other table apart from 1 we cannot divide. Okay, so 2 by 5, so we can written as 2 is to 5. So 2 is to 5 is that correct answer. Okay, 2 is to 5. Okay students, so this kind of only we have to do that problems. Okay, so the third what's called, they give some figure. Out of that figure we are going to find the ratios. So what are the shapes they given, just count it, and the number of triangles to number of circle means same way, just calculate that how many triangles they given, how many circles they given, you have to find the ratio. And the number of squares to all the figures means square how many present, and how many figures are inside that rectangle, that means total rectangle. Okay, so this kind of only we have to do. That's I gave by yourself. Okay, do it by yourself. So third one, do it yourself. Okay, sorry. So do it by yourself. Okay, so next one we'll move to that fourth question. Okay, read the question. Distance traveled by Hamid and Akhtar in an hour are 9 km and 12 km. Find the ratio of the speed of Hamid to speed of Akhtar. Okay, so this thing you have to know students. Find the ratio of speed of Hamid to the speed of Akhtar. Okay, so first one you have to know that, so distance traveled by Hamid and Akhtar. So that there are two person, so Hamid and Akhtar. Okay, so Akhtar. Okay, first one, distance, how much they given, 9 km. So Hamid is traveled 9 km and Akhtar is traveled 12 km. So 12 km. Okay, and find the ratio of speed of Hamid to speed of Akhtar. Okay students, so in the problem they given distance traveled by Hamid and Akhtar in an hour, that means 1 hour. So 1 hour they covered 9 km and 12 km respectively. Okay, so actually both are covered in 1 hour. Okay, so 1 hour, so 1 hour Hamid covered 9 km and Akhtar covered 12 km. Okay, that means what is that ratio of the speed? They didn't ask the distance ratio, they asked the speed of that Hamid and the speed of Akhtar. Okay, so first one you have to know that what is that formula of speed. Okay, so speed equal to distance divided by time. So speed equal to, what is the formula? Distance divided by time. So okay, so Hamid, first we will take that for Hamid. Okay, so first one, case 1 for Hamid. So Hamid, how much distance covered by Hamid? So Hamid covered distance how much? So it is 9 km, and the time used by Hamid is equal to 1 hour. So this is that given value, so just substitute here. Okay, so speed equal to distance divided by time. So that means Hamid, so Hamid speed, so Hamid speed, okay, Hamid speed, which is equal to what is called distance divided by time. So distance 9 divided by 1, so that means 9 km and the time equal to 1 hour. Am I right? So that means 9 by 1, 9 only, no, so 9 km by hour. Okay, so this is Hamid speed. Okay, what happened to that Akhtar speed? So Akhtar speed, okay, Akhtar speed is equal to, so Akhtar speed, same way, speed equal to distance divided by time. So speed equal to distance divided by time. So distance, how much they given? So Akhtar covered 12 km distance in same 1 hour. So same 1 hour. So that means 12 divided by 1, what's the value? So 12 divided by 1, 12 only. That is called what's called 12 km by hour. Okay, So Akhtar speed is 12 km per hour and Hamid speed is equal to 9 km per hour. So what is the ratio? Hamid and Akhtar. Okay, Hamid and Akhtar speed. Okay, so Hamid and Akhtar speed. So Hamid speed is 9 km per hour. Akhtar is equal to 12 km per hour. So 9 is to 2. That means 9 is to 12. Okay, sorry. So 9 is to 12 we can written as 9 divided by 12. So 9 divided by 12 we can divide common table. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. So 3 by 4 we can written as 3 is to 4. Okay. So 3 is to 4 is the ratio of that speed of Hamid to speed of. Okay students, the problem number 5. So the problem number 5 is fill in the following blanks. Okay.